everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Neteller to Binance. So in this method we're going to be using P2P. So this is Neteller to Binance. So this is the most common way. So this works because Binance does not work directly accept Neteller, but P2P sellers do. So here are the steps. First, you have to open the Binance, go to the trade and click on P2P. From there, you just have to click on buy and then choose a crypto. It can be USDT, so this one is the recommended one. So from there, you just have to set payment method and you have to set it to Neteller. So you have to pick a seller with, so make sure that it has high completion rate, that is 95% and above, and make sure that it also has many orders. So after that, you just have to enter the amount, click on buy, and then send money via Neteller using the seller's details. So from there, you just have to click on paid, and you just have to wait for the seller to release the crypto. So the funds will go to your Binance wallet. So this is fast, usually 5 to 15 minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!